Come test drive the 2017 Quattroporte. The new Maserati Quattroporte stands out from the crowd. Pininfarina's most recent creation is the ideal synthesis of luxury and sportiness. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, heated steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.